UI/UX design is one of the most in-demand skills in today's digital world. From apps and websites to digital products, everything depends on great user experience. In this video, I'm sharing the top 25 plus free UI/UX designer courses for 2026, courses that help you build real UI/UX skills without spending any money. To make learning simple, I've divided this video into 5 clear categories. UI/UX foundations for absolute beginners. UX research, user psychology, and information architecture. UI design, visual design, and design systems. Prototyping, interaction design, and design tools. Product design, UX strategy, and end-to-end case studies. If you want to start or grow your career as a UI/UX designer with free certifications, make sure you watch this video till the end. Watch till the end and get access 40 plus free courses on skiller.com. Let's begin with the first category. Course name is Introduction to User Experience Design, Georgia Tech, Platform Coursera. You will learn basic UX concepts, how to think from the user's point of view, simple research methods, idea generation, prototyping, and how to test designs. Course good for, it gives a full, clear overview of the UX process and is easy to follow even if you have never studied design before. You can access the learning content for free in audit mode. Next course is Foundations of User Experience, UX, Design, Google, Platform, Coursera. You will learn what UX means, the main stages in the UX design process, user-centered thinking, accessibility, and basic user research methods. Course good for design, especially beginners who want to build a career in UX. The structure is very clear, and it is the first part of the larger Google UX design certificate, so it keeps a strong career focus. Next course is Free UX Design Short Course, UX Design Institute. You will learn core UX ideas, the full UX workflow, basics of user research, wireframing, prototyping, and how UX fits within digital product teams. Course good for modern, industry-aligned view of UX and helps you decide whether you want to study UX in more depth. Next course is UI/UX Design Course for Beginners, Great Learning. You will learn the difference between UI and UX, the UX process, basic wireframes, simple prototypes, and fundamental visual design principles. It is short, simple, and easy to complete, which makes it a good starting point if you want a quick introduction on a familiar Indian platform. Next course is Introduction to User Experience Design, Balsamic. You will learn a simple 3-step view of UX, discovery, strategy, design, practical guidelines, and suggestions for what to learn next. It is short, simple, and easy to complete, which makes it a good starting point if you want a. Next course is Free UX Design Learning Path, Springboard. You will learn fundamentals of UX and UI, the UX process, user research, personas, wireframes, usability basics, and an overview of UX careers. It feels like a small, free curriculum and lets you understand the field in more depth without paying for a full bootcamp. Let's move to next category: UX research, user psychology, and information architecture. Course name is Conduct UX Research and Test Early Concepts, Google, Coursera. You will learn how to plan UX research, write a research plan, recruit users, run usability tests, and turn research findings into design decisions. It gives a step-by-step process for doing real UX research and shows how to use user feedback to improve wireframes and prototypes. Next course is UX Research, UXL. You will learn key UX research methods, how to choose the right method, plan and run studies, collect qualitative and quantitative data, and present insights to teams. It focuses only on research, so it is very useful if you want to go beyond basics and build strong skills as a UX researcher. Next course is Free UX Research Short Course, The Fountain Institute. You will learn the role of UX research in product teams, main methods, current trends, and how research supports better product decisions. It is very light and easy to follow, so you can learn core ideas about UX research without blocking your schedule. Next course is IA for Everybody, Abby Covert. You will learn what information architecture, IA, means, why it matters, who it helps, and simple ways to organize content so people can find what they need. It explains IA in very clear, friendly language and removes the fear around this topic for new designers. Next course is Information Architecture, IA, Fundamentals, Allison. You will learn principles of IA, how to structure content, design navigation, create taxonomies and improve findability in websites and apps. It gives more depth on IA and helps you think clearly about menus, page structures and labels in your designs. Let's move to next category UI design, visual design and design systems. Course name is Visual Elements of User Interface Design, CalArts, Coursera. You will learn how to use color, typography, imagery, grids, and spacing to create clean, readable interfaces. You also learn how to think about visual hierarchy and composition. It is very design-centric and helps you build strong visual thinking, which is essential for UI work, not just UX flows. You can audit the full course for free. Next course is UI Design for Beginners, Envato Tuts Plus, free course. You will learn practical UI tips like sizing and spacing touch targets, building components, working with shadows, color and alignment, and designing for different screen states. It is short, very practical and focused on everyday UI decisions you will face when designing screens for apps and websites. Next course is Design Basics, Figma Resource Library. You will learn core principles of UI and UX design, including layout, spacing, color, typography, components and basic design process ideas. Content is in the form of articles and guides. It is perfect as a reference library. You can keep coming back to it whenever you are unsure about a visual design concept while working on your own projects. Next course is UI Design Courses and Tutorials, Envato Tuts Plus. You will learn a mix of free courses and tutorials on topics like color theory, typography, layout, grids, responsive UI, and component-based design. Instead of one long course, it gives you a library of focused lessons. You can design your own learning path around the visual skills you want to strengthen. Next course is Design Systems Collection, Gymnasium. You will learn how design systems work, how to build and document components, and how designers, developers, and product managers can use a shared system. It introduces design systems in a simple way and shows how they bring order and consistency to large products, which is very important for UI/UX designers and teams. Next course is Introduction to Design Systems, Figma. You will learn basic concepts of design systems in Figma, including components, styles, libraries, and documentation practices. It connects visual design and systems thinking. If you already use or plan to use Figma, this is a very practical way to learn how to make your UI work scalable and consistent. Let's move to next category: Prototyping, Interaction Design and Design Tools. Course name is Create High-Fidelity Designs and Prototypes in Figma, Google, Coursera. You will learn how to create high-fidelity mockups in Figma, turn them into interactive prototypes, connect screens, and prepare designs for usability testing. It walks you through a complete workflow in Figma and is ideal if you want guided practice rather than just tool documentation. You can access the learning content for free in audit mode. Next course is Figma Design for Beginners, Figma. You will learn core Figma basics such as frames, shapes, text, grids, auto layout, components, and simple prototyping, explained in small steps. It comes directly from Figma, uses very clear language and screenshots, and is perfect as your first contact with the tool. Next course is Guide to Prototyping in Figma, Figma. You will learn how to connect screens, add interactions, set up flows, use Smart Animate and transitions, and preview prototypes for user testing. It focuses only on prototyping, so you learn exactly how to make your designs clickable and test real user journeys. Next course is free Adobe XD course, Simply Learn Skill Up. You will learn Adobe XD interface, artboards, shapes, text, components, prototyping tools, and how to design and link screens for web and mobile apps. It is a clean, tool-focused introduction to Adobe XD, so you can quickly become comfortable with another major UI/UX design and prototyping tool. Next course is UI/UX design using Adobe XD, Allison. You will learn how to design websites and app interfaces in Adobe XD, create interactive prototypes, and follow good UI/UX practices while working on projects. It combines tool training with UI/UX thinking, so you do not just click buttons but also learn why certain design choices matter. Next course is Adobe XD 2021 Basics, UI/UX Design course, free, Udemy. You will learn basics of Adobe XD, design features, prototyping features, repeat grids, plugins, sharing designs, and a simple design process for client work. It is very practical, shows a real designer's workflow, and gives you quick hands-on experience in building and sharing clickable UI/UX designs. Let's move to next category: product design, UX strategy, and end-to-end case studies. Course name is Product Design, Udacity. You will learn product validation, defining problems and user needs, basic UI/UX for products, Google-style design sprints, and how to track key metrics after launch. It connects UX and UI skills with real product thinking, so you learn how to move from idea to tested product, not just from wireframe to mockup. Next course is Introduction to Human-Centered Design, Acumen Academy and IDEO. You will learn human-centered design process from end to end, including inspiration, research in the field, ideation, prototyping and implementation for real-world problems. It teaches you to frame problems correctly, work with real users and build solutions step by step, which is exactly how strong UX and product case studies are built. Next course is Free Product Design course, UX Database. You will learn skills needed for a junior product designer, from design principles and product planning to research, interaction design, information design, metrics, and iterations. It is focused on real product design work and shows you how to connect research, UX, UI, and business outcomes over the full lifecycle of a product. Next course is Free UX Strategy Masterclass, The Fountain Institute. You will learn what UX strategy means, why it matters, examples of UX strategies, and a simple approach to designing a strategy that connects user needs, business goals, and product roadmaps. It helps you move from task-level design to strategic thinking, so your case studies can talk about impact, not only screens and flows. Thank you for watching. 40+ free digital marketing course links are waiting for you in the description box.